Good afternoon and thank you for joining us for this coronavirus HQ update. I'm Jordan Fremstead. La Crosse County remains in a severe category for the spread of COVID-19. The COULEE compass provided by the health department and updated each Wednesday did not move this week. The number of positive COVID-19 cases in the county is back above 20. There are 21 new positive cases, representing 5% of all tests taken on Wednesday. There are now 465 total cases in the county, with 233 of those considered active. The number of total cases in the county went from 56 on June 1st to 444 on June 30th. That's an increase of 692%. An area woman is sharing her experience recovering from COVID-19. 22-year-old Jaden tested positive after finding out she had been exposed, and she says she had no idea she was sick.
My first symptoms, it was kind of weird because I didn't really have any. I had a headache, but that wasn't really abnormal for me. So I wouldn't have even got tested had my friend not. So I'm really thankful for her.
Now, Jaden says after a few days after getting tested, she started getting other symptoms. Her two roommates tested negative, which made living together while she was sick challenging. She says the isolation and stress she faced took a toll on her mental health, but her mom did stop by to visit, sending her love between the glass of Jaden's window. Turning now to the latest COVID-19 numbers in Wisconsin, an additional 540 people have tested positive for the virus in the state. Out of the 12,608 people tested in the past 24 hours, 4.3% of tests came back positive. That's a slight drop from yesterday's 4.7%. There are 2 additional deaths to report, bringing the total to 786. More than 23,000 people have recovered from the virus. Besides the 21 new cases in La Crosse County, Eau Claire County added 11 positive cases. Buffalo, Crawford, Jackson, Monroe, Trempealeau, and Vernon counties are all reporting new cases today. In Minnesota, nearly 500 new cases are being reported and 13 additional deaths. The number of recovered cases jumped 216 people. Now more than 32,000 people have recovered from the virus. 1 new case is being reported in Winona and Houston counties. And in Iowa, there is nearly 29,900 positive cases in the state, but no new deaths are being reported. An additional 309 people have recovered. 3 new cases are being reported in Wenatchee County and 1 new case in Allamakee County. Indoor service at Madison bars will be closing ahead of the 4th of July weekend. Health officials are citing the rising number of reported coronavirus cases as the reason for the change. Many of these new infections involve young people in Wisconsin's largest college community. The order from Public Health Madison and Dane County allows bars that have patios to keep them open, and it limits the number of people who may eat inside restaurants to 25% capacity. Dane County leaders say the pandemic is far from over due to people who ignore health recommendations.
When this pandemic began, I said there would be a beginning, a middle, and an end. Unfortunately, we are likely not even quite yet to the middle of this event.
Bar owners are weighing a legal challenge against the new regulation. If you feel like there's something missing today in La Crosse, you are not alone.
Live music, being able to hear it and being able to come after work and see it, that was always really fun.
Today was set to be the 2nd day of Riverfest in La Crosse. The annual event brings thousands to Riverside Park to enjoy music, food, and fun. Like many things, this year's event was called off earlier this year. As we've told you, the annual fireworks display will not be held this Saturday, but organizers do say they are planning for the event to return next year. We want to thank you for joining us for this coronavirus update, and we hope you'll join us tonight at 5, 6, and 10. Have a great day.